Hello, friends and partners in the struggle for gender equality. This is our second newsletter during the COVID period, and of course, third one for the year. We are presenting to you how CSR has managed to go online, and not just go online, but effective, efficient. I really am very happy with the team CSR because everyone has worked very hard to make us technologically savvy at a time when everything is in great difficulty. People are not finding their life together. Everything is in a way scattered in our lives. So we are doing counseling for violence against women effectively. In fact, the counseling the cases are coming many more in numbers. We have trained women Asha and Anganwadi workers for COVID related health issues. There is going to be also violence against women at workplace, sexual harassment. It's not easy to conclude two of our major programs for this particular period is Beti Bachao Beti Padhao, and also we have managed to make our girls of Haryana happy by distributing the sports equipments. You can literally see them in this newsletter, how girls from sports to Beti Bachao Beti Padhao water project, team has really dared to go all the way to the villages and train women there. Women have come, everybody with masks, social distancing, and also taking good care of themselves. So that's the story as far as our own work goes. We also are very aware of the way situation is really changing for a lot of our poor women in the villages, in absence of employment, in absence of healthcare, and also we are very aware that economies go in a very critical condition. So preparing young people for employment, that's the target, that's the focus. Skilling young women so that they can, as and when and whatever is available, when the market opens, when jobs are available, they can join the job market. It's been a long struggle to get our women reservation bill passed. So unless I talk about that, this whole period of activity will not be concluded. We know that there is no talk about it. There is nothing that they are talking about. On the other side, the whole nation today is angry and agonized with what has happened in Hathras with this young Dalit teenager who was brutalized. Her bones were broken, her tongue was cut, she could not make a statement, and then to top it all, when she died in Delhi hospital, her body was not given to the family. Nobody from the family could even see the body of the girl, and she was cremated by the police. We want every one of you. We want every one of you to hold the system, the government, and people accountable